Allahu, 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 Allah, Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illallah.
Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Let's get into the video today and learn 10 new information. Which surah of the Quran describes the extraordinary event that happened in the year of the elephant? And your options are option A, Al-Fil, and option B, An-Nas. And your time starts now. The right answer is option A, Al-Fil. How many letters are there in Bismillah? The whole Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Option A, 23, option B, 19. And your time starts now. The right answer is option B, 19. What is the meaning of Ahmed? And your options are option A, the most admirer, or the option B, the most commendable. And your time starts now. The right answer is option B, the most commendable. In which city was our Holy Prophet ﷺ was born? And your options are option A, Madina, or option B, Makkah. And your time starts now. And the right answer is option B, Makkah. What is the name of our Holy Prophet ﷺ's nurse? And your options are option A, Halima Sadiya, option B, Amina. And your time starts now. And the right answer is option A, Halima Sadiya. Who was the first person to write with a pen? And your options are option A, Prophet Adam alayhi salam, or option B, Prophet Idris alayhi salam. And your time starts now. And the right answer is option B, Idris alayhi salam. What is the meaning of Ar-Rahim, one of the name of Allah? And your options are option A, the bestower of mercy, or option B, the provider. And your time starts now. The right answer is option A, the bestower of mercy. Who was the companion of the Prophet ﷺ who was sent to Madina before Hijrah to call for Islam? Option A, Bilal radiallahu anhu, option B, Mus'ab ibn Umair radiallahu anhu. And your time starts now. The right answer is option B, Mus'ab ibn Umair radiallahu anhu. Who was the companion who led the prayers during the illness of Prophet ﷺ? Options are option A, Usman radiallahu anhu, or option B, Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu. And your time starts now. The right answer is option B, Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu. And the last question for the day. Where is Hira cave located? And your options are option A, Makkah, option B, Kufa. And your time starts now. And the right answer is option A, Makkah. So friends, with this episode 7, we have learned 70 new information about Islam. Every new information you learn about Islam and share with others, inshallah, you will be rewarded sadaqah jariyah for it. So to learn more information about Islam consistently, subscribe to our channel and check our new videos. If you are new to this video, please check our old episodes and subscribe to our channel. Alhamdulillah.